Hey friends, I'm speaking to you through some headphones. What are headphones? Headphones are actually speakers. What are speakers? They're actually microphones. All speakers are microphones, and all microphones are speakers. They're both transducers. Just which way does the current go? Fun fact, but not on the apes test. So let's talk about apes. I'm gonna go ahead and move myself. Move, Marshall. Let's talk about these soil horizons. Soil Horizons is part of the APES experience. You're going to need to know this on the AP test. You're going to need to know this on a quiz, and you're going to need to know this on the exam in a couple weeks. It's a very APESy topic to talk about. Soil is also very, very important to our planet. They're saying with climate change happening in Europe, farmers are worried if they'll be able to grow crops in the next 50 years enough to sustain the European populace. Let's talk about soil. Very, very important. Remember, not all. So these are soil horizons. These are the layers of soil. Not every soil is going to have these horizons. Only mature soil will have. Let's remember how soil develops. It's like high school. Immature freshmen, young sophomores, us seniors and juniors. We're so mature. So immature soil is practically all bedrock. Young soil it has starts to have these horizons, and then mature soil has these horizons. Here in Texas, these horizons are very squished. We hit the bedrock right away. We hit that limestone bedrock. You just had the mispleasure of having to dig a hole, a post hole. You put the shovel away pretty soon and get out the pickaxe. Um, but in your typical soil profile, you'll see these horizons. What are they? Let's remember O, A, B, C. O, A, B, C. The O horizon is on top. So let's move her. Then after that, it's alphabetical. A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon. So I hope yours looks like that. What is happening at each level? The O horizon is not the topsoil. That is the vegetation layer. That's where like most of the life actually happens. So that's where like a lot of the roots are growing. That's definitely where the plants are growing. So much of soil bacteria. Soil is really good at sequestering carbon dioxide out of the air. There's so much life in soil. Remember, we don't say the D word. We don't say dirt. This is soil. This is like a living material. If you're walking in the forest and you see all this life above you, you hear the birds, you hear the insects. There's actually more biodiversity under your feet than up in the trees. Most of that happens at the O horizon. A is the topsoil. That's like the dirt. So where's my topsoil go? A is the what you probably think of as dirt. This has all of my sandy clay loam and silty clay. This loam, sweet loam. When we talk about the soil texture triangle, we'll probably talk about the A horizon, the topsoil. Subsoil is mostly my minerals. There's also humus in the topsoil. There's that rich, earthy, carbon-containing, very black soil that's in the topsoil. Not much humus, not much organic matter at all in the B horizon. And then the C horizon, that's pretty much just rock. Remember, where does soil come from? It comes from weathered rock. And so the C horizon is pretty much weathered rock. So let's move these. My detritus and my decomposing leaves, that's in the vegetation layer, the O horizon. We just said that partially weathered rock is my O horizon, not really soil. Then my topsoil, it has that nice mixture of organics from above and below, and my subsoil is my B horizon. It has mainly my nutrients, and that's where it's also called the zone of accumulation, where minerals from above can accumulate. Sometimes there's an E horizon. I'm not about that E horizon. It's in between the A and the B, the zone of alluviation. Blah, blah, blah. We don't have it in Texas. It's a you know what? If that's an answer to question 62 on the AP exam, I will take that hit because I don't care about the E horizon. Neither do you. So this is the key. So check it out and put this in your heart. It's going to be on the quiz. It's going to be on the test. It's going to be on the AP test in May. And let's talk about soil. It's a very, very important thing to know about. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the virtual space. Bye. Boop.